Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your existing account on Pictory AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pictory.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Pictory AI website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal where you can log in to your existing account. Now once you're inside the login portal, you have various options of logging in. You can click on continue with Google to sign in using your Google account if you created your account using Google in the first place. Otherwise, simply type in your email address followed by your account password and then click on the login button. And now you will be logged into your account with the Pictory AI application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Pictory AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.